Skillbyte here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply 303's Graphene Nano Spray Coating beyond ceramic. I don't know. We'll see. Some of the things, it's lower surface temperature, reduces water spotting, that's a big one. Sheds water. It can be applied to paint, chrome, wheels, trim, glass, and vinyl wraps. So you don't have to paint correct or anything before applying this, but I do recommend it. We have washed, clay barred, and even did just a touch of polish. So this is pretty good. It's got a few chips, but I'm going to show you how to apply this, and we'll see in time how it works. So with a microfiber cloth or applicator, you want to spray some on. Now the nice thing about this is you can get it everywhere pretty much, so you don't have to worry about getting it on something it shouldn't be on. You want to take like so, a little more. This thing is pretty dry, and you want to do a crisscross pattern per the instructions to ensure that you've got it complete coverage. Then you got to let it dry to a haze. So I'm going to go ahead and get some more. So this here has paint protection film, but that's all right because this won't hurt it. You can put it on vinyl. Now I would still try to avoid get it on your paint protection film personally if it's self-healing. One of the nice things about the graphene is, unlike certain other products, you can put this stuff on over itself, so you don't have to, like ceramic, some ceramics can be start peeling and stuff, and this is not supposed to do that. So we're in the shade and it's 61 degrees outside here, so it is taking a little while to dry. We're going to start with a microfiber cloth, removing it. Don't push down any harder than you have to. And I'm not pushing down hard at all. Don't forget to use your left hand some. Wax on, wax off. Make sure you get in all the edges. So what will it do with water? It does shed water really well. We have really hard water, so it spots. Yeah. Well, there you go. I can tell you that it sheds water very nice. I'll let you know how it holds up here in a while after it's been on for a while. But I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, donate, and good luck with yours.